Okay, so I've got an ASUS laptop ga503qm and the screen is broken. It's more broken than it was, so I've already taken this off. But I'll just show you how it all comes apart. It was basically this bottom bit here that was all stuck, and as soon as I started pulling that out, then it cracked the screen. But the original problem was just around this area here. But basically you start by really just prizing this bezel frame off. Most of it comes apart quite easy, but like I say, it was really stuck down there. Someone's obviously already had a go at doing this and had snapped the frame anyway. So that took a little bit of doing just to get it off the glue there and then to come apart. But then basically we've got the screen. Then there was two strips of like glue along here. You could just get into the little section where the glue was coming out, and pulling the glue and then twisting it around a stylus, just like I've done with that. All the glue comes along, down and out, and then that frees up the screen, which then just comes straight out. Okay, so then we've got this tiny little, I don't know if we can see that on the camera, there's no preview on this as well, which is annoying, but we've got a tiny little clip there which is taped down, and then that just clipped out, and that's basically the removal of the screen. Okay, so I ordered a new screen and that's arrived, and the first thing we need to do is test that that works. This was from laptoplcdscreen.co.uk. It's come with two strips of glue, which I had to add as an additional extra, and that's the screen. Okie dokie, so be really careful because these are so fragile. The original reason I broke the screen was trying to put the heatsink back on the CPU and GPU. So the best way I think to do this is to try and marry that up, and I think I'll probably take the laptop screen off to actually properly fit it. Let's just see if we can get that clicked into there. Lift that up slightly. Put that into there. Just slides in, clicks into place. Maybe look, that'll fit exactly into there. It doesn't look. There we go, it's married up nice. So hopefully if we fire that up. Oh, that's looking good. That's the screen on. No cracks, no pixel damage. That looks grand. Okay, so I just need to glue this up with the glue that's been provided. And then that should work. I think what I'll do. Okay, rather frustratingly, the video wasn't recording when I put the glue strips on. If you can see just down there at the bottom of each side of the laptop, over there and over there is the bottom of the glue, and the screen just pressed against it, nicely lined up at the top, and all the edges. Once you have it in place, you don't even need to really firm it down. It's just a light press, and then that's it, sealed in place, and great. So simple to do. Really happy with that. So the last bit is just clicking the bezel into place. Again, a bit frustrating that someone's already cracked that. This isn't my laptop, by the way. This is somebody else's that I've been asked to try and sort out for them. So that should just all click into place quite nicely. And I've done this even without having to remove the bottom of the laptop as well. So it's just the screens come away from the bezel. A little clip bit there that's just not quite lining up, but the rest should be good. Okay, that's all obviously pushed down there. Just that last little piece just doesn't want to go in. Ooh. Looks decent enough. Yeah, feels good. I'll have a tweak with that in a moment. Let's just double check everything's still working great. Perfect. Okay, cool. So that's it. Dead simple, dead easy. Pleased with the results. Screen looks great. So yeah, can highly recommend LCD screens.co.uk. Very efficient, good price. Delivery was no problem at all. Came, I think it was the next day, to be honest. So yeah, more than happy with that.